Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today, I'm just going to jump into things. Please don't mind me being all teary-eyed. I just watched Jetty Bones live on TikTok and I'm so ready for concerts and everything, and that was a very emotional show. But I am so excited today because my Colourpop mystery box, we're off to a great start. My Colourpop mystery box came in and I have waited all day to open it and go through it. And I'm just so excited. So I'm just gonna see what's in the box. I did pick up the medium one. It was like, there was a $20 one, like a $40 one, and like a $80 or $100 one or something. I got the middle tier. So I'm just gonna jump right on into this and I will collect myself momentarily. I'm so sorry if this is the first time you're seeing me. You're like, why the hell is she crying? I'm not quite yet. I'm getting there, but I'm also getting over it. Very emotional today. So I am quite the crybaby, but I don't always share that with the internet. This, okay. I'm just gonna start grabbing. This is the Act Natural Defining Mascara. And it's in the shade black, okay. Is the Act Natural? Ooh. Oh, I'm so excited to have a mascara. I usually just buy like travel size because I do kind of, they tend to dry out. But I don't know. No, I think the BFF mascara was the one that I have. I don't know, but I'm excited about that. Let's see. So Juicy Plumping Gloss in the shade Stuntin'. Alright, well, let's see. It looks like it's going to be like a pink. The only one of their So Juicy glosses that I have is Princess Cut. Oh, it's cute. It's so cute. I actually think I'm going to put a little bit of it on right now because my lips are dry and I put a matte lipstick on. And I have lipstick in my teeth. Like I said, we're off to a great start. I'm just going to put some on my finger to do this though because I don't want to get purple all over this. And I'm not going to want to clean it here in a little bit anyway, so. Oh, wait, glossy. There's something about this lipstick and I feel like it's my lips. I'm going to shut my door real quick. I think that it's the fact that my lips are chapped that this lipstick's not really doing what I thought it would. But this is one I'm fixing to do a video about anyway because I made an Ulta purchase and it was literally lipstick. Like, alright, what we got here? This is the Creme Gel Liner and Boots. I have this one. I like this one. So, very excited. Actually, I think I lost Boots. Yeah, I lost my one of Boots like this. So, this would be awesome to have as a replacement. In case you don't quite know what this one looks like, it's these. And it looks like this. But I love their Creme Gel Liners. They're awesome. So I'm really excited to have this in my collection again. I was very upset with myself that I lost it. Like, how did I manage that? Alright, this was like right here on the top. It's pressed glitter and Banty glitters. It's a really cute shade. It's like a pink and kind of orange. Kind of reminds me of those ice creams that are like the strawberry shortcake crumbly ones. So delicious. My favorite ones. Okay. I didn't pick up anything from their Animal Crossing collection. And I'm not exactly sure. This is the Nook ink. Let's look and see. I did think that the packaging was very cute for that collection. Look at me not being able to open this. I knew once I sat down and started to film after I got over my sad, that it really wasn't sad. I'm just emotional. I love Jetty Bones so much, and that was like an emotional set. But I'm all good now. Oh, when I tell you that I'm ready to use this, this is absolutely adorable. It looks like there is a glitter, 3 shimmers, like, or well, one, a glitter, a shimmer, and then a reflect eyeshadow, and then a matte. I'm excited to try this. It's gonna be so cute. Oh my goodness. I've never played Animal Crossing. I feel like my husband has, or has said something about buying it before, but a couple of my friends play it and it looks like it would be really interesting and a lot of fun. And let's see, what else did we get here? God, this is kind of loaded down. Okay. This is from their little Ray of Sunshine collection here. Super Shock eyeshadow, or Super Shock shadow and Flower Child. And it looks like it's gonna be so cute. Oh, that is very, very cute. Okay, let me give you a decent swatch because I have to, or try anyway. I don't know if it's picking up, but it's really cute. I'll try that one soon as well. Oh my gosh. I was thinking about the Little Ray of Sunshine palette today. I was like, I kind of want to do that, but then I just ended up doing line work. So I'm happy about that. This is inspired by Trinity Joy MUA. I do believe is her name on Instagram. I'll try to remind myself to put her down below because she's really awesome. Like, perfect wands, okay? I wish I had half the talent that she does. This is the Super Shock Blush. Oh, and Vioile. Viola. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but it's Vioile. Oh, that is cute. I've never tried one of their Super Shock blushes. Oh, I love the feel of it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is beautiful. That is, wow. It's metallic. Oh my gosh, I have to, oh, I'm going to clean my brushes ASAP and I am going to use a lot of products out of this. Should I do a video that's using as many products from my mystery box as possible? Let me know. But it looks like there's 3 more things in here, so let's see. This is the Colourpop medium fluff brush. Alright, let's check it out. The box is really cute. It kind of reminds me of the Soul Body one that I ended up getting one time. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. This is the F24. This looks like a good little swipe on for like blush or maybe a little bronzer moment. I love it. Baby, do you want to go out? Oh my goodness, I didn't know that Chef Mark was in here, but he went under my table that I had to lay my brushes on when I clean them, and he was napping. But now that I've shut the door, he's like, wait, I don't think I want to be in here with you anymore, Mommy. Shem, come here. Let's see the people. You want to see my friends? You won't necessarily get to see them, but they'll see you. You want to come see them? You want to come say hi? Come here. Come, Mama. Come, Mama. Come here, let's say hi. This is my son. He's checking everything out. He really wants out, so I'm going to put him out. But this is my baby. He's not a fan of the lights, so I feel bad that I did that. But I just have to show my baby. Alright. Oh, this is something from Soul. Soul Body. What is this? Shimmering Dry Oil. Luxe lightweight dry oil with next level multi-dimensional shimmer. Shake well, massage into skin using fingertips or buff into skin using brush. Apply liberally to highlight your highlights. Okay, I do have a brush for this that I did get sent for free with, it was a while back. It was like you could pick that or something else and with your purchase, and I was like, well, that might come in handy one day. This is beautiful. I'm really excited to use this. I will probably be all dramatic on TikTok and use that. Okay, the last thing is acai face milk. Oh, okay. So I did pick up a while back like their face milk set from, I do believe it was like, was it the Trolls or My Little Pony or something, but I got coconut, watermelon, papaya, and I think that was all. I think it was just 3 of them. Well, let's see what this is. Oh, it's a big boy. I want to smell it, but I'm not going to be able to smell it. I'm already telling you. I couldn't really smell. I'm really excited to try it though. I do like the way the other ones make my face feel. So out of this box, I got a dry oil, a shimmering one, face milk, a Super Shock blush, a Super Shock shadow, a brush, a palette, or a quad, a glitter, a gloss, a mascara, and an eyeliner. Overall, I'm not sure what I was expecting, and I'm not really disappointed, but I really don't know what I was expecting, but I'm excited. So if you would like to see me do a look with as many things as possible from the box, please do let me know. I actually could probably do like a full face of Colourpop soon. I think I'm out of my Pretty Fresh concealer. I would have to order another one or get one from Ulta, but I could do that. Like, it's cheap, so let me know. Should I do a full face of Colourpop? I don't think it would be brows though. I've tried their wax and kind of just don't like it. Sorry. I'm a got to be glued gel girl for my brows. Except for today I used soap, but then I did use the got to be glued gel to like make sure they stayed down because soap doesn't hold them down. But I would probably exclude brows from the video, as I tend to do anyway. But I have pretty much everything else that I would need to do a full face of Colourpop. Yeah, I have a bronzer. I was about to be like, wait, I'm lying, I don't have bronzer. I have a bronzer. I have Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer, and the foundation, and the primer, and the concealer that I need to reorder. I have a darker shade of concealer that I can use for like a cream, and then I have the bronzer, I have blushes, I have highlighters, I have lashes, and mascara, and liner, and palettes galore. So, I mean, I have a full like collection of Colourpop because I refuse to throw anything away, and I've had some of it for a long time, but I love Colourpop so much. So if you would like to see a full face of Colourpop, please do let me know. And I know this has kind of been wild and weird and a lot of things, but you know what, sometimes that's just how we gotta roll. So without me keeping you here for entirely too long, because I do need to go upload the video. It's gonna be up for before this one, but it's not ready and it's going up tomorrow because tomorrow's Sunday. I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans, I will have all my social medias down below. And if you would like to keep up with me when I upload here, please hit the subscribe button. It makes my day to know when I make a new friend, and I appreciate you so much for just finding me at least a little bit interesting enough to like stick around. It really means the world to me, and I can't thank you enough. And yeah, thank you. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And I guess I'll see you next time. I hope I see you next time, but thank you so much for watching. Bye.